Hey, you may have found yourself wondering, is it crazy to double down on creating online content right now? Can I really turn my passion into an income? Can I finally quit my 9 to 5 and do what I've wanted to do my entire life? You know, everybody out there is promising all sorts of these incredible results. You'll get 10K a month, you'll get 100K a year. Some of them are really over the top, but the thing is, most of them can't really deliver. Let's get real. You know, I had somebody come up to me, a friend of mine recently, and he said, hey, I want to build up my own business on Salina Faisal, and I want to replace my income. Now, this guy was earning 100K a year in a tech job. So I had to just say to him, look, how are you going to do that? What's your plan? You have no sales skills, no experience, and you have no marketing skills. I'm sorry for spoiling the fun, but this is somebody who's talking from experience. You know, you need those skills before you even think about making money. And the reason why I say that is because I've been there, and this is exactly what I wish somebody would have told me. In fact, here's the 5 things I would have liked somebody to tell me before I left my job. Number 1, you need to create a follow-worthy LinkedIn personal brand that attracts ideal clients, because people buy from people, not from companies. Number 2, focus on content, the one that opens hearts, open wallets. For example, post your origin story, your why. Number 3, have a profitable offer that people actually want and they need. Number 4, learn how to turn those LinkedIn connections into high-ticket clients. And number 5, be part of a community that's on the same journey as you, where you can bounce off each other and share what's working and what's not. Because when you're feeling inspired and you want to bring it down, when you're in a team, that's what rallies each other to get going and keep on going and remind you of why we're doing this. It's so much easier to get rid of our fears when you're in a team. Here's my challenge for you today. I want you to do one thing that's different. I want you to send a DM to a high prospect lead, one that you think is really close to buying. Pick up the phone, make the phone call, plan a LinkedIn Live with somebody so you can collaborate with, but do it today. That's your challenge. I want you to move the needle towards where you want to go. If you're a coach, the reality is online education is booming. It's projected to be a $370 billion industry by 2025. So this is the place to be if you want to learn about a LinkedIn business model that works for you, even when you're not working. So here's 3 ways you can work together. Personal brand boss. This is to create a follow-worthy personal brand that brings those ideal clients to your LinkedIn DMs daily. Number 2, the content conversion system. This is where you'll get never shared LinkedIn algorithms, and you'll learn them, and along with how to create that content that open those hearts and wallets. It's guaranteed to attract ideal clients to your DMs on autopilot. And for those who want to go all in, we've got the LinkedIn Business Academy. This is a whole step-by-step system to turn your LinkedIn connections into high-ticket clients with clarity, conviction, and confidence. Just because somebody didn't give you the promotion, the praise that you deserve, you know, now's not the time to doubt your own abilities as an entrepreneur and let your imposter syndrome take over. And we all have it. So if you've been experiencing people saying, I loved your post, loved the workshop, loved the freebie, and then they don't end up buying. Or if you're seeing a decline in your metrics, I'm talking about the number of people who are visiting your profile, your impressions, your engagement, the number of DMs you're receiving, or your conversions. Or maybe you're getting the DMs and then you're unable to convert. You know, you're digging deep into the emails, you're following up, but still nothing's moving, and you're just tired and whacked out. I feel you. It's not your fault, and it's quickly fixable. See, the problem is you're missing information. 2024 is built different, and what worked before isn't working the same way. We can't keep chasing a past version of your business. What we need to do is adapt and evolve. You are more than good enough. You're more than smart enough. You're more than capable enough. You're just in a wrong season, and the space has changed. How do I know that? Because you made it this far. So there you have it. Check out the links in the description below for the resources where we dig into more detail. And if you like the video, give it a like and hit the subscribe button for more content just like this.